Hello my dear students and my friends, welcome to my channel Let's Study. Today my topic is maps. Maps को हिंदी में मानचित्र कहा जाता है. A globe is a three-dimensional sphere while a map is two-dimensional. The globe represents the whole art, whereas a map may represents the art or just a part of it. A globe is spherical in shape, spindles around the axis. Maps are the representation on a piece of paper which does not spin. So this is the example of map, Indian map. Next slide. In this chapter, we are going to study about maps. So first of all, introduction about maps, difference between globe and maps, what is atlases, what is map, types of map, components of map, sketch and plan. Introduction. In the case of showing the earth shape clearly, the geographer mainly prefer the term globe, which is circular in shape. अगर हम अर्थ शेप को अच्छे से दिखाना चाहते हैं तो जियोग्राफर उसके लिए उन्होंने ग्लोब का इस्तेमाल किया था, इसलिए ग्लोब जो है वो सर्कुलर नेचर होता है. बट इन केस ऑफ शोइंग ईच एंड एवरी कंट्री क्लियरली, परफेक्टली एंड इन डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन, वी मेनली यूज मैप. अगर हम ईच एंड एवरी कंट्री को अच्छे से क्लियरली दिखाना चाहते हैं, सो इन डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन अगर हम शो करना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए हमें मैप्स का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा. सो मैप इज द मीडियम टू शो द डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ ईच एंड एवरीथिंग क्लियरली. नेक्स्ट, what is the difference between globe and a map? A globe is a trim miniature of the art. Globe may be of different sizes and shape. Globe mainly circular in nature. Globes are dimensional. A globe can be useful when we want to show the country as a whole. Globe has many limitations. Maps is a representation of the earth's surface. Maps is a flat surface. Maps are multidimensional. It includes the various scales to make it. Next slide, atlases. Atlases are the combination of all maps, that is including all various types of maps like wall map, different maps of many different countries, states, mainly various map included in the atlases. Atlases are mainly big books which contain many facts. So it is the image of atlases of the world which is presented by Oxford. This was shown in my video to give a quick example of, in this topic, means atlas. Next, what is map? The map are the representation or drawing of earth's surface. Our maps are flat surface according to scale. It include mainly measurements from various scale. These are uses for various purposes. This also shows all large and small areas. What are the types of maps? There are mainly various types of map. It includes mainly political map, physical map and thematic map. What are physical map? The term physical here refers to the natural things or features. There are many types of nature features that is formed by some physical process like exogenetic or endogenetic forces. These features are occurred due to some natural disturbances like earthquake, volcano. Some of the physical maps are mountain, plateaus, plains, rivers and oceans. These are some of the physical maps, which is wall physical map. It shows various physical features in entire world, which is green in color. What are political map? The political map actually shows states of India. In this slide, I usually recommend the states of India's example, so I herely write about India. It mainly shows districts, village, boundaries, different countries and districts, cities, etc. These are mainly relief map. There are also many relief map about the world, which were actually found in the atlases. These are example of Indian political maps. What are thematic map? The thematic map means some kinds of theme. These forms of maps are actually drawn or made by taking some themes. This mainly gives specific information. For example, road map, railways map, or rainfall map. Next slide. This is the example of world population map. Components of map. There are mainly three components of map: distance, direction, and symbol. What are distance? Maps are generally drawn by cartographer. The term cartographer actually makes map with using of many different scale. Mainly maps are drawn by reducing the ratio of scale to show the country in a flat sheet of paper. Reduction is real. In this process, the actual size of the world is actually minimized or reduced in a limited. यहाँ पर बोला गया है कि मैप्स को जनरली कार्टोग्राफर द्वारा बनाया जाता है और कार्टोग्राफर इस मैप को बनाने के लिए एक स्पेसिफिक स्केल का यूज करते हैं. एक्चुअली वो लोग ये करते हैं कि वो अगर किसी पार्ट को दिखाना चाहते हैं तो उसी पार्ट के एक्चुअल पोजीशन को दिखाने के लिए वो एक रेशो लेते हैं फ्लैट शीट ऑफ पेपर में दिखाने के लिए. सो इसमें रिडक्शन स्केल के हिसाब से लिया जाता है. सो इसमें रियल रिडक्शन होता है और इस प्रोसेस में एक्चुअल साइज को थोड़ा सा मिनिमाइज करके और लिमिट करके दिखाया जाता है. What is scale? A scale is defined as a ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance which are shown on the map. Example, if you want to show the distance between market and the house, in this condition, scales may be used. What are the types of scale? There are mainly two types of scale are as follows. Small scale map, large scale map. Small scale map used to show the large amount of information in a map. This includes the large part of continent, countries on a flat sheet of paper. Small scale gives limited or small information. Large scale map. The large scale map are usually show the small areas. These include areas like village, towns. Large scale gives more information. What are direction? In the map, in the upper right hand corner, there is a mark of north direction. This shows the northern side in the map. There are four major directions are as follows: north, south, east, west. So these are some of the direction: north, south, east, west. What are cardinal point? In drawing of map of any country, we have to first know the direction of the country. It is very much useful to use this direction to show the actual position of map. So there are four cardinal points are as follows: north, south, east, west. Other four important intermediate directions are northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. It is the picture of cardinal points. So north, south, east, west, and northwest, northeast, southwest, southeast. So these are example of cardinal points. What a compass? A compass is an instrument which were usually used to show the direction of a place. It is used to show main direction of places. There is magnetic needle where there to show the direction. इस पार्ट में मैं ये भी बोलना चाहूंगी कि अगर हम एंशियंट टाइम के बारे में थोड़ा सा जान ले कि एंशियंट टाइम में जहाँ पे कंपास का यूज नहीं, जहाँ पे लोगों को पोजीशन का पता नहीं होता था, इसलिए उन्होंने कंपास का यूज करके एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जाने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया करते थे. अगर वो नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन में जाना चाहते थे तो पहले वो कंपास के जरिए ये जान लेते थे कि अगर किस तरफ जाना है और उसी प्रकार वो अपनी यात्रा करते थे। दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एंशियंट टाइम ऑफ यूजिंग कंपास। सो दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कंपास। What are symbols? The term symbols are the most important component. सिंबल जो है वो बहुत important कंपोनेंट होता है। जब एक मैप बनाया जाता है तो थोड़ा सा सिंबल्स दिया जाता है कि फॉरेस्ट का जैसे कि वाटर का ब्लू, जैसे वाटर का ब्लू, और हाँ, अगर माउंटेन को शो करना है तो वो ब्राउन कलर का इस्तेमाल करते थे कार्टोग्राफर्स। प्लेटूस के लिए वो येलो कलर का इस्तेमाल करते थे। प्लांट्स को दिखाने के लिए वो ग्रीन कलर का इस्तेमाल करते थे। तो ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट है जो थर्ड कंपोनेंट में गिना जाता है। सो इट इज मेनली यूज टू ड्रॉ द मैप बाय वेरियस सिंबल। सो इसको मैप में इस्तेमाल किया जाता है टू शो द वेरियस सिंबल। दीज आर एक्चुअली कन्वेंशनल सिंबल, और ये कन्वेंशनल सिंबल बोला जाता है और इसमें कलर का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, जैसे कि ब्लू, येलो, ग्रीन। What is sketch? The sketch are mainly used for navigation process. This information are actually based on memory, not any appropriate scale is used. So these are called rough sketch maps. स्केच मैप का यूज हम नेविगेशन पर्पज के लिए या रिसर्च पर्पज के लिए कर सकते हैं। ये इंफॉर्मेशन एक्चुअली ये जब स्केच बनाया जाता है तो एक्चुअली मेमोरी के ऊपर बेस्ड होता है, ना कि किसी एप्रोप्रिएट स्केल का यूज करके। दीज आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड रफ स्केच मैप, इसलिए हम इसे रफ स्केच मैप बोला जाता है। एग्जाम्पल के लिए हम एक छोटू सा एग्जाम्पल यूज कर लेते हैं कि अगर हमें अपने फ्रेंड का घर का स्केच बनाना है तो हम इसी स्केच का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। What is plan? A plan is made on the drawing of large and small scale information. These are used by architect to construct any building in a sites. प्लान का इस्तेमाल आर्किटेक्ट कर सकते हैं क्योंकि वो बहुत बड़े बड़े या छोटे छोटे बिल्डिंग बनाते हैं। तो किस एरिया में किस तरह का बिल्डिंग बनेगा तो उसी के लिए वो एक प्लान बनाते हैं जो एग्जाम्पल होता है प्लान का। सो थैंक यू all my dear friends and my dear students. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video on map, please like, share and subscribe it from my channel. Let's study. Thank you and have a good day.